All right, mate. Let's have a look here. Celr BTC. Do I think it'll have another pump before dumping? Okay. Well, first and foremost, as long as this monthly is red, you need to be careful. Okay, you definitely need to be careful because we could have a red month, only for the fact that we've had a huge green candle on a monthly basis. Now, if you look at the 3 month candle, that's 200%, points 268%. If you look at the 3 month candle, well, you can see what happened. So it's it's tough. It's tough to say. It's tough to say when you get a monster candle like that. Sometimes you do like to have a red month back down. For example, pretend that's a red color right there. Sometimes it does like to do that. So as long as this is red, you need to be very careful. It's unusual, for things they just keep going crazy like that. But we are in a bull market, so we're not in normal circumstances. So can we keep pumping? It's a good question. It's definitely a good question. I don't know if you're in it already. With my concern, it's good to know if you're in it already. But you can see also this is a bearish weekly engulfing, and we had a bearish weekly engulfing up here, for example, after the big run, and it did actually spark the end of it before a move lower. There was that one more pump to stop out longs, and it kind of looks like we would have to get the same thing here. It's unusual for a market to top out like this. Well, there's 9 days left here, unless this is going to be a huge red candle, a bearish engulfing. But like even if we were going to drop more, I do think there will be a pump. Like you're asking, will it be a pump? If this is going to be a head and shoulders, for example, this should pump at least, and then maybe we could break down. If we were going to break down, most BTC pairs actually at this point in time, they look very bullish and they look like they want to go higher. So is this going to flip up green and turn keep running higher? I mean, at this point, it's very hard to call because this is such a huge move. It's a 4 or 5. Oh God, the 3 month is a 10x. So some consolidation here would be very normal. Um, if I were you, I would not be trading this. Unless if you really want to trade it, then I would buy a new week. If we flip green on a new week, just like this, and then trade that bounce back up. Otherwise, I would be careful with this. If we flip green on the month, then or green on the 3 month, then maybe I would get interested again.